99% of people have never and will never create or build anything in their entire lifetime. If you want to be like 99% of people, well, then congratulations, you are a consumer. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I stopped thinking like a consumer and started thinking like a creator. Without any delay, let's get right into the video. When we look at social media platforms, right? So we're talking about all social media platforms, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, and there's many, many more out there. These platforms are created to be consumed. And there's a very interesting documentary out there that talks about social media. It shows the inside scoop on the people that created social media platforms and how those people who created it themselves do not use these social media platforms. And then it takes it a step further by showing that they do not let even their children and family use these social media platforms. So that piqued my curiosity a bit, and I wanted to understand why the creators of these platforms are so against using these platforms themselves and allowing their own family to use these platforms. And then I realized something very, very quickly. Social media, especially the digital social media, was created like a drug. And I'll give you guys an example. When you see a drug addict goes through lengths to obtain the drugs that they're addicted to, right? So if you look on the streets, and in most streets in the United States, you will see homeless people and drug addicts, right? People who are addicted to hard drugs like crack and methamphetamine and things like that. These people have essentially destabilized their entire life just to get a little bit of the substance that they're addicted to. And in a way, social media works in the exact same way. You see in real time people destabilizing their entire life just to get likes, just to get comments, just to get views, okay? And this is a very, very scary thing to see. And I was born in 1999, so I came from this. I grew up without social media, right? And then when I was early in my teenage years, social media came about. So I kind of was a little bit old enough to understand what life was like before all of this came about. And also, I grew up in a foreign country. I'm from West Africa, Ghana. So it took longer for those things to catch up. And then when I moved to the United States when I was 11 years old, right, at that time, I know what's going on in the world. I know what's going on around me. I am cognizant enough to understand how the world works at that age. So I was able to kind of see the contracts of both worlds. And what I realized is that social media is fake. It is. People only show the highlights of their lives. So somebody may take a picture or a video of them in Dubai, in Turks and Caicos, right? And then somebody else sitting somewhere across the world may see that and think, why can't they have that? Okay, so it creates a stark contrast between the stable reality of what happens on a day-to-day basis and then the temporary reality of what actually happens when people do things temporarily, like go on vacation. And a lot of people sit and consume social media so much that they blur the lines of the realities. Okay, they think that their day-to-day should be the exact same of somebody else's once a year highlight. And that's where the problem is created. And because we're social creatures as human beings, we tend to think that we deserve the same things that other people have. We tend to think that, and truthfully, That's not how the world works, right? Everybody has a different stage and a different path that they take. And it takes some people longer than others. That doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with that. So when it comes to consuming social media all the time, it's simply brain rot. Okay, have you ever looked at somebody that is sitting on TikTok? They literally can't concentrate for more than 3 seconds before swiping to the next video. That is brain rot. You're training your brain for short-term pleasure. And there is a study that shows that each time you get a like, each time you get a comment, it's validation. Dopamine hits in your brain, kind of like a drug. And that dopamine hit is what makes it so addictive. It's what makes people chase that high all the time. And that is a very dangerous place to be, especially if you are someone that doesn't create anything. Okay, that you're reinforcing bad behavior if you're not creating anything. If you're just sitting there on these platforms consuming every single day. Instead of that, what you should be doing is creating. Okay, you should be making videos, you should be making content that highlights your life, your business, where you can actually get rewarded in the real world for what you're building. Once you change that mindset into a creator, now every like is positive reinforcement for what you're creating. Every comment is positive reinforcement for what you're creating. Every hate comment, believe it or not, is positive reinforcement for what you're creating. Because if you don't have haters, you're not working hard enough. If you don't have haters, you're simply not important enough to have haters. I love it when people hate on me because it tells me that I'm doing the right things. In fact, if people didn't hate on me, I would be worried because 99% of people are just simply consumers. So you want hate from most people because you don't want to be like most people. All right. So the stark contrast from switching from being a consumer and simply just sitting there and scrolling all damn day to being a creator and creating so that you're rewarded for what you're creating in real time. That's how you need to think about social media, and that's how I thought about it, and that's what switched my mindset from a consumer to a creator. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Okay, if you want to learn how to create your own car rental business from scratch, you can use content to use other people's cars completely free. Join my free Facebook community, and in the Facebook community I will handpick my students to work with them, right, to help them get to 10K a month in the car rental industry. Okay, so use that description, get in there, and I'll see you in the next video.